Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Nature's Gift. And I'm Noah, today's host. Our topic today is the hidden danger of vitamin B12 deficiency. What your body is trying to tell you. Did you know 15% of us are secretly B12 deficient? Remote workers skip meals and crash, and 20 to 40% of folks over 50 feel it. Before we dive into the story, please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing. It means the world to us. A heartfelt thank you for joining us on this journey.
This article has been crafted by researching over 50 nutrition articles and journals to bring you accurate knowledge. If you find it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons so we can create more exciting content.
Today we're diving into something huge, vitamin B12, a powerhouse nutrient your body can't live without. Yet millions of people are walking around with dangerously low levels and don't even know it. As your nutrition specialist and MC here at Healthy Nature's Gift, I can tell you this is a way bigger deal than you might think. B12 isn't just a sidekick. It's the MVP for producing red blood cells, keeping your brain sharp and even helping your DNA do its thing. When you're running low, your body starts to stumble in ways that creep up on you. And get this, it's shockingly common, especially for older adults, vegetarians, and folks with certain health conditions. The catch? It's sneaky. You might not notice until it's serious. Take Sarah, a 32-year-old front-end developer I worked with. She blamed her constant exhaustion on late-night deadlines, but a blood test revealed her B12 was in the basement. Here's a jaw-dropper. Studies estimate up to 15% of people could be deficient. Millions silently running on fumes. In this video, I'm breaking down 8 warning signs of B12 deficiency you can't ignore. We'll explore why they happen, how they mess with your life, and, most importantly, how to fix it. Feeling tired, moody, or just off? Your body's probably waving a red flag about your B12 levels. Think of B12 as your smartphone battery. Without it, you're stuck at 1%, flickering and desperate for a charge. Let's jump in, because here at Healthy Nature's Gift, we're all about giving you the tools to thrive. No need to scramble for notes. Stick around till the end, and we'll wrap up the key B12 takeaways for you, easy peasy. Number 1. Fatigue and weakness. More than just a bad night's sleep. Imagine, you're dragging yourself out of bed, yawning nonstop, and wiped out even after 8 hours of sleep. Sound like your mornings? Don't just blame your busy life. Persistent fatigue and weakness are classic B12 deficiency signs. Here's the deal. B12 makes red blood cells that haul oxygen around your body. Too little B12, and production tanks. Less oxygen hits your muscles and tissues. Result? You're sluggish, weak, and foggy, no matter how much you snooze. It's like running a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. Every step's a struggle. I've seen so many folks at Healthy Nature's Gift dismiss this as just being tired, but trust me, it's worth a deeper look. Tweaked your sleep or ditched coffee and still feel drained? Time to check your B12. Low oxygen doesn't just sap your energy. Simple stuff like stairs or groceries turns into a workout. Ever wonder why you're panting after a short walk? Count your yawns today. It might not be that Netflix binge. Don't sleep on this. A quick blood test could be your answer. Back in the 1920s, people died from pernicious anemia until scientists cracked the B12 code. Lucky for us, we've got solutions now. Tell me in the comments, anyone else feeling this exhaustion? Let's relate. Number 2. Mood swings and depression. The brain connection. Did you know your mental health rides on B12? It's wild, but true, and most people don't even think about it. Low B12 can sneakily spark mood swings, anxiety, or depression. Why? B12 helps your brain pump out serotonin, the feel-good chemical. When levels drop, serotonin slows, leaving you irritable, anxious, or blue. Imagine your brain as a DJ spinning happy tunes. Without B12, the music cuts out, and you're stuck with static. At Healthy Nature's Gift, I've met folks stunned to learn their sadness or temper wasn't all in their head, but tied to a nutrient gap. Take Mike. He blamed his grumpiness on his kids, but his vegan diet had crashed his B12. It's not just emotions. Low B12 amps up stress, making daily chaos tougher. Living that high-stress Zoom call life, your B12 might be crying too. If your mood's off for no reason, don't shrug it off. A tweak could lift that fog. Try this. Sneak B12-rich nutritional yeast into your popcorn. Mood boost and movie night vibes.
Anyone else felt this roller coaster? Drop a comment. I feel you.
Number 3. Pale or yellowish skin. A visible red flag. Your skin's a health mirror, and B12 deficiency can turn it pale or yellowish. This isn't just "I'm tired" vibes, it's your body screaming for help. Low B12 means red blood cells break down too fast, releasing bilirubin, the jaundice culprit, into your system. Not a liver issue here, just B12 dropping the ball. Your skin's yelling, "Help, I'm turning into a lemon." Not the glow up we want, right? I've seen patients at Healthy Nature's Gift mistake this for a cosmetic quirk or liver trouble. But if your skin's off and you're feeling other signs, B12 might be the key. It's subtle but real. Your body's begging for attention. Fun fact, B12's the only vitamin with cobalt. Talk about a metallic twist. Ignore this, and you might not just look pale, you'll feel like a ghost. Ever noticed your skin looking weird lately? Share below. Let's figure it out together. Number 4. Glossitis and mouth pain. Trouble you can feel. Heard of glossitis? It's a fancy word for an inflamed, swollen, red tongue, a dead giveaway for B12 deficiency. Normally, your tongue's pink with tiny bumps called papillae. Without enough B12, it turns red, smooth, and sore because B12 keeps mouth tissues happy. It's like your tongue's throwing a tantrum, red, angry, and refusing to play nice. Then there's mouth ulcers, those painful sores inside your cheeks or tongue. Clients tell me it's like tiny firecrackers popping off in their mouth. Ouch! It's not just annoying, it's your body struggling. On a juice cleanse trend, your B12 might be sobbing. If your mouth's acting up, don't ignore it. Pro tip, blend liver into a smoothie. Your tongue won't hate you, and your B12 will love it. Anyone else dealing with this? Comment. I'm here for you. Number 5. Tingling and numbness. When your nerves cry out. Feel pins and needles in your hands or feet that won't quit? It's weird, annoying, and a B12 deficiency classic. B12 keeps the myelin sheath, your nerve's protective coat, intact. Without it, that shield crumbles, and nerves misfire, causing tingling, numbness, or burning. It's like 1,000 ants marching across your skin. Creepy, huh? At Healthy Nature's Gift, I've seen this turn into balance issues. Patients stumbling because nerves can't talk right. Trip over nothing and blame your shoes? Check your B12 first. If these sensations linger, act fast. Nerve damage gets trickier to fix. Skip this and you'll wobble like a sitcom star. No laughs here. Tell me, anyone feeling this tingle? Let's chat in the comments. Number 6. Irregular heartbeat, a rhythm out of sync. Your heart needs B12 more than you'd guess. Low levels can trigger megaloblastic anemia. Red blood cells get wonky, forcing your heart to overwork. Cue tachycardia or palpitations, pounding, fluttering, or racing beats that might spark panic. Think your heart's rehearsing a drum solo? It's B12 begging for an encore. This one surprises people at Healthy Nature's Gift. It's not just breathlessness. It's your heart stressing over low oxygen. Studies say 20–40% of older adults might be low. Your ticker's at risk. Too many energy drinks? That racing pulse isn't just caffeine. If your heart's off and other signs match, check your B12. Anyone else felt this? Drop a comment. I get it. Number 7. Memory loss and cognitive decline. not just aging. Forgetting your keys or a name isn't always age. It could be B12. This vitamin powers brain health, keeping nerve signals crisp. Low B12 muddies your mind. Brain fog, forgetfulness, disorientation. It's like your brain's Wi-Fi dropping. Everything buffers. I've seen older folks at Healthy Nature's Gift fear dementia, but B12 fixes can reverse it. Research shows 1 in 6 over 60 might be deficient. Wild, right? Younger vegans or metformin users, you're not off the hook. Forgot your Wi-Fi password? Don't laugh. Test your B12. Your brain deserves it. Memory slipping? Comment below. Let's support each other. Number 8. Beyond the basics. Other signs to watch. B12 deficiency casts a wide net. Shortness of breath, weight loss, vision blurs, balance woes. It's a domino effect. Lungs, eyes, muscles all suffer when B12's low. Your body's yelling, SOS, through a megaphone of odd clues. Patients come to Healthy Nature's Gift baffled by these mix-ups. It's often B12 they're missing. Keto or fasting fan? Your B12 might be ghosting you. Try B12-rich eggs in your TikTok recipes. You'll thank me. Ticking these boxes, tell me in the comments. I'm with you. Why does B12 deficiency happen? Who's at risk? Age. Absorption drops after 50. Vegans and vegetarians, since B12's in meat, eggs, dairy. Conditions like celiac or PPIs mess with it too. Stress and bad gut health? Silent B12 thieves. Modern life's a B12 bandit. X-scrolling and skipped meals hurt. Lifestyle and genes make this a quiet crisis. Feel okay now? Bad habits stack up. Awareness is everything. Catch it early. Miss this, and it's a one-way ticket to Breakdown City. How to prevent and fix a B12 deficiency. Good news. Boosting B12 is simple. Meat, fish, eggs, solid picks. Liver's a B12 bomb. Not your fave? Hang in there. Plant-based? Nutritional yeast, fortified stuff help, but might not cut it. Hack. Sprinkle yeast on vegan tacos. Sneaky and yum. Supplements rock. Methylcobalamin beats cyanocobalamin. Check levels yearly. Aim for 200 to 900 pg/ml, ideally 400 plus. Injections kickstart fixes if absorption's off. B12 shots saved lives in the 1940s. Cool, right? Gut health and stress management boost uptake too. Yoga and B12, your new besties. Listen to your body. B12 deficiency isn't rare. It's a sneaky beast. These 8 signs scream, help! Don't wait. At Healthy Nature's Gift, we say act fast. A test and tweaks can flip the script. Let it slide, and you're a zombie in a B-movie. No cool makeup. What's next? Chat with your doc if this hits home. Share with friends. Someone needs this. Your health's worth it. B12 could be your key. How many signs did you spot? Comment. I'm dying to hear. Subscribe to Healthy Nature's Gift for more. Let's thrive together. As promised at the start of this video, the Healthy Nature's Gift team has prepared a summary for you. We hope it makes everything easy to remember and truly benefits you. B12. A vital nutrient at risk. Up to 15% of people may be deficient, millions worldwide. Yet many don't realize it. B12 powers red blood cells, brain function, and DNA. Fatigue and weakness affects energy due to low red blood cell production, common in busy lifestyles, with studies showing 20 to 40% of older adults, over 50, at risk. Mood swings and depression. Linked to serotonin drop, impacts mental health, with 1 in 6 people over 60 potentially deficient, amplifying stress in modern life. Pale or yellowish skin caused by bilirubin release. 15% prevalence highlights how common this visible sign is among the general population. Glossitis and mouth pain. Inflamed tongue and ulcers signal B12's role in tissue health. Affects up to 40% of older adults with absorption issues. Tingling and numbness. Nerve damage from myelin breakdown. 20 to 40% of seniors may experience this due to declining B12 absorption. Irregular heartbeat. Megaloblastic anemia causes palpitations. Studies note 20 to 40% of older adults could face heart strain from low B12. Memory loss and cognitive decline. Brain fog linked to 1 in 6 people over 60 being deficient. Reversible with treatment, unlike dementia. Other signs: shortness of breath, vision issues, and balance problems. 15% of the population may show these varied symptoms. Who's at risk? Over 50s, 20 to 40% affected. Vegans, and those with conditions like celiac or on PPIs. Modern stress doubles the risk. Prevention tips. Aim for 200-900 pg/ml, optimal 400. Supplements or foods like liver can fix it. Shots helped millions since the 1940s. Call to action. Check your levels if you spot signs. 15% of us might need it. Comment your symptoms below and join Healthy Nature's Gift for more. Big props to you, Healthy Nature's Gift fam, for hanging out till the end. You're champs. Take care of yourselves, keep that B12 in check, and we'll catch you in the next video with more health goodies. See you soon. Please hit like and subscribe to motivate our team to create more great content.